Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the two drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna make a video showing y'all how to maintain y'all YZ450F. I believe this is the same thing with the YZ250F, but I'm gonna be showing y'all in this video how to maintain y'all YZ450F. So if y'all just want to watch, or y'all got a YZ450 and y'all want to know how to maintain it, just stick around and vibe with me. Alright, so first thing on the maintenance list, we're gonna change the spark plug. As you can see, it's really a 16mm socket, but this spark plug socket is too fat, so I'm kind of just using what I got. I'm hoping it works. So far it's working though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so once you get the spark plug, you usually want to grab some type of magnet or something to get it out. I'm just going to use these pliers just because that's what I have. Got it. Got the spark plug right here. Let's inspect our spark plug. Got some wear out of it, I would say. Alright, so basically what I remembered first, on some plugs you have to set the gap. So basically you just kind of put it in a vise and have a feeler gauge, and you look up the specs on the manual, and then you just pretty much lightly tap the hammer until it holds onto the feeler gauge like so. So you can see this is a new plug, this is the old one. Oops. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and tighten up this plug. When you don't got the right tools, you make your own tools. Alright, as y'all saw, I made my own tool. I'm saying, just tighten it, and then I already did it, so I'm just showing y'all how to do it. But yeah, y'all just tighten it, y'all know. But yeah, made my own socket first time, and it worked. So yeah, let me put this little thing in real quick. Little cap. As y'all see, it works. Let's go. Alright, bet. Now I just gotta put the little retainer piece right here. Tighten that up, and then do the air filter. Then we're gonna do the oil. Alright, so basically with this, take this little clip right here, place it on here. That. Put this bolt on, it's 10mm bolt. Alright, next I'm going to show you guys how to take off the air filter. Pretty easy. Just pop these, that. Then the air filter just pops out like that. Take this cage off, and then boom, you got your air filter right here. You see mine's pretty dirty, so we're gonna clean that up. Alright, so this is the only dish soap I found. Dawn Power Wash. It's a spray though, so we'll see how it works. Dish spray. Hopefully it works. Filling up this bucket right now with very, very hot water. Got the air filter right here. I just sprayed it. And then I put some in the bucket as well. But we're gonna get this. Jeez. We're gonna let that sit in there for like 30 minutes, something like that, and then we'll come back. Alright, just clean this John off. You can see this John got way cleaner. It's like a little spot right there, but besides that, John looks pretty much brand new. This is the back side of this John. But yeah, we're gonna put this face down on the heater, and then hopefully by the morning, the John should be good. Alright, next thing with the maintenance process, we're gonna use this oil. This is the oil I'm gonna change the oil with, but we gotta oil up the air filter just a little bit. So I'm probably gonna use like half of this cap just to spread the oil, and then I'm gonna distribute it with the gloves. See, we got our oil right here. Definitely just forgot to put that in frame, not gonna lie. Alright, air filter is good. Alright, so now take this, like so, put that over that, place, and we just put these tabs. There you go, air filter is in. Next thing we're gonna do is change the oil. I'm gonna back this bike out and put it somewhere like right over here. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is warm the bike up, and then we're gonna change the oil. Let it warm up for like 5 minutes. Now while we wait for this bike to warm up, we take a chicken break. I'm saying, got the bev right here too, okay. Alright, so now you wanna stand the bike straight up. You wanna get your oil pan, your oil and your filter, which I have right here. But I'll get the oil pan right now. We're about to drain the oil. I believe it is a 12 mil. As you can see, the oil is draining. We're gonna let that drain, and then we're gonna let this drain after. Then we'll put the drain bolt back in, change the oil filter, clean out the screen, and then put the new oil in. Alright, as you can see, getting the bolt started. Next, we're gonna take out this. We're gonna take out this oil filter. That, but not like that. I'm gonna have a rag nearby because of things like this. You want to clean this off. Let the rest of the oil down. O-ring looks good. Looks like we don't need to replace that. Alright, next we get our new oil filter. Don't packaging. Some new ones. turn the bike around and clean off the oil screening. Nice. Oh my god, bro. We'll be back. Alright, I got the bolt. This should just pull right out. Here we go. More oil everywhere. Not too bad. Check the O-ring on here. Looks good. Clean this with some contact cleaner. After we do that, we'll be ready to put the oil in. I just clean this off. Take this. Next, take our bolt, start threading. Alright, so basically that's the last thing to maintaining this bike. Change the oil. So my friend said you want to start the bike up, it's gonna suck a little bit of oil and then add more oil. I did that just because I wasn't sure, because the oil level went down to low. So I'm not sure if that's what you have to do, but that's what I did. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys found this video useful in any way, and if y'all have a YZ450 yourself, drop a comment, let me know. Make sure to subscribe to the gaming channel, link will be below. Subscribe, get the merch, make sure to like this video as well. Follow my Twitch, I will be uploading more content coming soon.
Right now he run 10 me alive, bro. Youngin', but he been earned all his stripes like he a tiger. You gon' kiss her, you a wife, I'm a listener and a writer.